If you are on your NCLEX journey, you should receive your ATT, which stands for Authorization to Test. How can you obtain your ATT? Watch this video till the end to know more. Hello everyone, I am Sunidhi Shah, your host, and welcome back to Academically. In today's video, we will discuss the NCLEX Authorization to Test, how to obtain the ATT and the importance of obtaining the ATT. If you are a nursing professional on the lookout for resources that will help you build the career in countries like Australia, Canada, the United States, etc., Academically is the perfect platform for you. By subscribing to our channel, you can actually learn more about overseas registration exams, eligibility requirements, visa options and much more. And don't forget to hit the little bell icon so that you don't miss out on any update. Now, what is the Authorization to Test? The ATT is a document that allows the candidate to take the NCLEX exam. The ATT will be issued by the nursing regulatory body via email after ensuring the candidate meets the eligibility requirement. Now, but how can you obtain the ATT? You will receive the ATT after you complete certain steps. Number 1, apply for registration with the NRB of the place where you are seeking to practice. Register with Pearson VUE online through telephone or online with a third-party payment. Now, pay the fees. Next, receive the authorization to test from the NRB. So, what is the ATT validity date? There will be a validity period for the ATT with a period of time specified by the nursing regulatory body. The average length of an ATT is 90 days. The candidate should take the NCLEX exam before ATT validity expires. Why is obtaining the ATT important? Number 1, the ATT confirms that a candidate has met all the requirements set by the nursing regulatory body NRB to sit for the NCLEX examination. Number 2, it provides the candidate with the information needed to schedule their test date, time and location. Without the ATT, candidates cannot book their exam. Number 3, it helps to maintain the integrity and security of the NCLEX exam process. So that's all you need to know about the NCLEX ATT. Now, if you need any help to navigate the NCLEX exam, connect with our experts today. By filling out the form given in the description, you can get a free 101 consultation to discuss your possibilities. The NCLEX exam preparation course at Academically is created to assist you with the entire process. From document verification to a hassle-free migration process, you need not worry about anything. If you found this video helpful, like this video and share it with your nurse friends who are planning to move abroad. Also, I would love to know about your preferred country to work as a nurse. Comment down if you have any questions about the NCLEX exam or about becoming a nurse abroad. See you in my next video. This is Sunidhi Shah signing off.